Alright, well, once again, thank you for stopping by MTG Cards and Reviews. My name is Chris. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I'm going to open up 3 more packs of Innistrad Crimson Vow set boosters here as we continue looking for the spicy stuff. Alright, well, let's go ahead and we'll open up this pack though and see what we've got. These are all coming from the same set booster pack. We're just doing this a little differently this round though, due to time constraint and stuff. Here's our art card, and we've got our full art land, and we've got our Blood Crazed Socialite, Voldarian Epicure, a Blood Fountain, Fognorath's Celebrants, the Arch Ghoul of Thrabryn. We've got the Undead Butler. There you go. So here's a question for you guys: Butler or no Butler? The catch is, if you have the Butler, he's an undead or she's an undead Butler. Which? Tell me your answer. Tell me which one you would prefer. Butler or no Butler, but the Butler is an undead Butler. Alright, let's see what those comments bring for that answer, or that question. Hero's Downfall, Infestation Expert, Blood Hypnotist, and a rare, we've got the Wedding Announcement. Right, and then we've got the Grisly Ritual. And we've got, we got a list card here. First one we've seen here, we've got the Deathless Knight. A Skeleton Knight. Okay. Looks like that's back from Throne of Eldraine, based on the card notation there. Next pack to crack. I'm starting to figure out a few of the codes though these days. Alright, so we got a slug token though. Alright, we've got, yes, this is our card, which is Dying to Serve. Yeah. So you got your undead Butler, and you've got then basically the rest of the servants, namely your Dying to Serve servants. And there is our Plains, and we got our Wedding Invitation, the Vampire Slayer, Piercing Light, Magma Fumer, Pummeler. Alright, so Magma Pummeler. Not sure why I thought that was a F. Frenzied Devils. We've got the Hook Hand Mariner. And then we've got a Distracting Geist. We've got the another Unholy Efficient. And we've got our Gluttonous Guest again. Got our rare here. We've got the Hive Heart Shaman. And the Traveling Minister as a foil, and then of course, as I mentioned, we got a slug token. Alright, last pack, check out here, and this is probably going to be the end of what I'm going to be doing tonight. and recording several of these videos to share and upload here over the next over the future. And there's our art card, and we've got a foil island. Very nice. Okay, we got Sanctify. We've got Fierce Retribution, Flourishing Hunter, Unhallowed Phalanx, Markov Retribution, Skulking Killer, and then a Lantern Bearer. We've got a Restless Bloodseeker. Then we've got a rare. We've got Iruth Tormented Prophet. Iruth. We've got another rare. Oh, okay. We have the Creepy Puppeteer as our next rare. And then we got the Angelic Quartermaster in foil. And then we got our fill in the blank token. Alright, well, hey, thanks for stopping by once again. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, leave a comment though, and yeah, ring the bell button. And we'll catch you in the next video. You guys have a great day.